creamy tomato spaghetti is my daughter's favorite. And honestly, if your child doesn't like eating, please try this recipe I'm about to show you. It works like magic. Hello cooking vloggers, so welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen. Do well to give this video a like, comment and share this video. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. Please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Without wasting much time, let's dive right straight into the video. For this recipe, we'll be needing fresh tomato, fresh pepper, onion, salt, seasoning cubes, curry powder, rosemary, carrot, garlic, milk and pasta. I started by boiling my pasta in the already boiling salty oily water. Not too soft, just halfway done. Every dish. Then I proceeded in prepping the carrots and the onion. So first off, I thinly sliced this carrot. This is kind of the perfect shape I want for my pasta. Not so thick and not too thin. Just the perfect size so they stay sweet, crunchy and kid friendly. So after slicing the carrot, I also sliced the onion. But this time around, if you watch closely, you'll take note that I'm going to be giving this onion two sizes. So I cut the onion in 2 equal halves and I sliced the first half in this not so big size. And then for the second half, I try to increase the size. This is because I want some to be crunchy and I want others to be soft. So that is actually the goal for this. And after that, I proceeded in chopping the garlic. Very, very important to add garlic in your meals. If you've not been doing that, guys, this is actually a call for you to be doing that, okay? You're going to enjoy every meal made with garlic. After slicing everything, I went to check on the pasta and it's already boiling by this time. So I took it off the stove and pour out the water. Flavor we adore, cooking vlogs and lots more, yeah. So next, I placed the pan on fire again, added water, pour in the tomato and pepper, and allow them to boil. So the essence of me boiling this is because I want the skin to pull out so easily from the tomato. So the reason for me taking out the skin is because I want a very smooth paste, and that smoothness is what I love about this pasta. Inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love, family at the core. Now when I'm done taking out the skin, I poured this into the blender, poured in some chopped onion, poured in seasonings, rosemary and thyme, vegetable oil, and then I evaporated milk, and I blended this into a smooth paste. So because I want the veggies to be crunchy, I try to saute this for about 2 minutes. Note, when giving this to your child, always go for their preferred veggies. I made use of carrot and onion because my daughter loves this. So you can decide to add green beans to yours. You can decide to add bell peppers to yours. Whatever veggies you feel you can add to this, provided your children or your child loves it. Now the goal is for them to eat. So after 2 minutes, I packed them out, getting ready for the main dish. So in the pan, I added the vegetable oil and went in with the chopped garlic. Next, I stirred this to avoid it from getting burnt. Family at the core. After stirring for some time, I went in with the pepper and onion already chopped, and I turned. So after turning, I poured in the creamy blended mix. At some point here, I was just shouting ewo ewo. This was just boiling putu, splashing and spilling everywhere. So now that the sauce has behaved itself, I started turning it. So you have to turn to avoid it from getting burnt. Now at this point, you can decide to add your cornstarch. If you mix adding it before blending, you can also add it at this point. So I kept on stirring because we don't want our sauce to get burnt. After a bit of stirring, I went in with seasoning cubes and then I poured in some little water to loosen up the sauce, and I covered this to cook for 5 minutes. Taste the cheer. After 5 minutes, our sauce is activated and ready to take in the pasta. Now I poured in the pasta and I gave this a good mix. Don't want any stones to be left unturned here. Now I took my time to mix this pasta so the sauce could coat every strand perfectly. See, if you follow this step by step, I bet you that your child that doesn't eat totally forgets it doesn't like food. I've given this recipe to about 4 to 5 months and they confirmed their child likes it. So when making yours, just try to find out your children's allergies, what they like and what they don't like. So this means you can add to this recipe and also take out from this recipe. So I poured in our sauteed veggies into this pasta. Since my daughter loves to eat her veggies crunchy, I had to do it that way. And yes, this was what she took to school on this day. And believe you me, nothing was left. See, I forgot to make a video of our flax, but I tell you, nothing was left. She enjoyed every bit of her meal. So if you want something creamy, very easy and simple, kid friendly and very delicious, please try this recipe. Not every time jollof pasta, curry pasta, stew and pasta. Try this particular recipe. It is actually budget friendly, quick, and honestly one of my easiest meals. Do not forget to bring me feedback. So here's me just packing her school lunch: food, cutlery, fruits, juice, and an extra plate for her. No serious thing, nothing bank breaking. Your child is going to enjoy this. So if you've watched till this time, you are the real MVP. Don't forget to like, share, and comment where you are watching from. Let me give you a special shout out in my next video. And you that is yet to subscribe, you are still here, it means you are loving it here. Please hit on that subscribe button and do not forget to turn on the bell notification. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.